UI React.JS developer. Are you ready to level up your career as a UI React.JS developer? People Prime Worldwide, India's largest IT staffing company, is exciting role. Key skills: HTML5, CSS3, Bootstrap 4, React.JS, Next.js, Node.js, Azure, Figma. As a UI React.js developer, your responsibilities will include collaborating with product managers and engineers, storyboarding and designing user interfaces, crafting sleek UI elements like menus and widgets, understanding use cases based on ADO, regular work status updates, working in an on-site offshore model, following agile scrum processes, being a great team player. Job locations: Bangalore, Pune. Work experience 6 to 8 years. Education qualification: any graduation. Work mode: hybrid. Employment type: full time. CTC: 21 lakhs to 28 lakhs yearly. Notice period: immediate to 30 days. These positions are for our esteemed clients of People Prime Worldwide. Check out the description for more details and apply now. Like, share, and subscribe for the latest IT job opportunities with People Prime Jobs.